Why does Japanese cheesecake have to be brown on top? Why not white in color? We are excited to show you how our homemade Japanese cheesecake inspired by Uncle Tetsu came to be like in color and how we solve our shrinking cake problem.
Baking a souffle-like cake can be challenging. Watching this wobbly, airy texture cake collapsing is every home baker's nightmare. Our first cheesecake had shrinking problem and so did the second. Watching tutorial video is easy, but making them is a whole other story. In first place, you might not have the right oven. Maybe no proper cake pan size, either too large or too small. It could also be you have no tray that can fit the size of your pan that will hold the water bath. Solving our shrinking cake is impossible without a change, so in this video we will use a smaller cake pan. Out goes the 20 cm well-used dented cake pan and in goes the 15 cm cake pan. Hopefully, the smaller cake pan will end our shrinking cake problem. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. First, we line up our cake pan with baking paper. A higher paper for the edge is required because our cake pan is short. 200 grams cream cheese, 50 grams butter, 125 ml of milk. Heat the pot on the stove top. The cheese and butter will melt naturally. No need a double boiler to do the process. Better still, just chuck the whole pot in the microwave and ping! It's done! Faster and cleaner. Well, maybe not the whole pot. We only have this dripping pan that can fit our two small cake pans. Someone advised for the water bath, the water must cover half the height of the cake pan. We will prove to you that you do not need that. Just a little water will do the trick. The pan must be placed at the lowest rung in the oven. Set the oven to 170 Celsius and pour the water on the dripping pan. Beat 6 small egg whites or 5 large egg whites with 100 grams caster sugar until it reaches soft peak. Put it aside. In a separate bowl, beat the egg yolk until creamy. Pour in the melted cream cheese into the egg yolk. Sieve in 70 grams flour, 30 grams corn flour. We substitute our corn flour with tapioca flour. Mix until the flour is well combined. Pour a quarter of egg whites into the egg yolk mixture. Stir until creamy. Pour the creamy mixture into the egg white. Fold up and over until there are no more egg white lumps. This mixing method will help to keep the air bubbles in the eggs, giving it the sponge cake texture. Pour the batter in and stop just slightly below the edge of the pan. And guess what? We forgot to add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Persistent in maintaining a positive mindset even during these mistakes, these challenges can help us learn some very important lessons. Let's keep going. Bake for 1 hour at 150 Celsius. This is one type of cake where long baking is good. You do not have to worry about the cake drying out. There you go! Our white color Japanese cheesecake minus the lemon juice. Who said it must be brown on top? And look at that! No shrinking. We did it! This cake is delicious, moist, soft with velvety, creamy texture. No eggy taste despite the missing lemon. The light color makes it different and unique from other Japanese cheesecake. Watch our earlier cheesecake journey by clicking on these 2 videos. Subscribe to our channel.
See you next week.
Thanks for watching.
Melt in your mouth.